Today we're going to take a look at what are sets. A set is defined as a collection of any items. You see here several sets. First, I have a collection of several items of clothing. Next, I have a collection of several numbers. And then I have sets A and B, which would be geometric shapes. So a set is a collection of any items. Now there are three ways that we're going to look at writing a set. Set builder notation is the fanciest of the three ways. You will start with a bracket, and then you will have X and then a straight line. That straight line is read as such that. So we would have X such that X is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, ... and on into infinity. Now, if we want to write this in roster form, we will take away the fancy X's and brackets, and we will simply write it in brackets as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, ... on into infinity. If we wanted to describe this set, we would use a word description such as the even numbers 2 and greater, because we notice the pattern that these are all even numbers. So set builder notation uses both brackets and the X, which is read as X such that, and it will give you what the set includes. The roster form takes away the X's and the such that symbol and simply writes each element in brackets. The word description is exactly that. It's just the word phrase that describes the set you've written. Now there is such a thing as the null set. The null set has no items in it. It is empty. You can use one of two notations. You can either use those brackets with nothing inside to represent null set, or it's commonly used with a circle with a line through it. The /0 is commonly used for null set or empty set. Now the cardinal number of a set tells us how many items are in that set. Look at this example. Let's find the cardinal number. The cardinal number will be how many items. So let's count the items. That's my first number, my second number, my third number, my fourth number, my fifth number. There are 5 items which happen to be numbers in this set. So the cardinal number would be answer choice B, 5 items. Equivalent sets have the same number of items, but the items do not have to be the same. For example, if I had a circle and a square that were in a set, and then I had a triangle and a star in another set, those two are equivalent because they both have 2 items, even though the 2 items in each set are not identical. So let's see if these sets are equivalent. Do they have the same amount of items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in set B. Since these number of items are equal, then these are equivalent sets. Now, equal sets have to have identical items, not just the same amount of items. In this first example, you notice I have a J in both the first and last set. I have a K in both the first and last set. I have the M in the first and last set, and I have the letter N. So even though the orders are different, these are the 4 identical letters in each set. So are these equal? Yes. Now in the second example, are these equal? You'll notice that in set A I have a 10, but there is no 10 down here in set B. So this would not be equal sets. I hope this has helped you understand a little more about sets.